Hey there, today I am sharing some family dinner ideas. First, I am going to share with you my meal plan and then my dinners for the first week of January. Alright, so here is the menu plan this week. On Monday, which is New Year's Day, we're going to have French toast for breakfast with sausage and eggs. And then for dinner, I'm going to make chili and pigs in a blanket. Tuesday, we go back to work, so I'm going to do some steaks. We have steak in the freezer and some breaded fish fillets for the kids, and then fries and some salad. And then Wednesday, I'm going to do turkey burgers from Trader Joe's with chips and fruit, and we have dance and swim that night. And then Thursday, I'm going to do some marinara sauce with chicken in it instead of ground beef, along with some whole wheat pasta, garlic bread, and a salad. Friday nights we always have pizza, and then Saturday night we're going to go out for dinner with some friends, and then Sunday I'm going to make turkey soup with the leftover turkey that I have from last weekend. So that is the menu plan. Okay, so on this night we had chili, and I made it in my Instant Pot. If you are wondering what recipe I used, I will be filming that soon, so please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notifications. But this night we had chili, and I shredded up some cheese, and then we also had it with some Fritos, which is my favorite way to have chili. Alright, so this evening I decided to cook up some steaks. We typically get a quarter or a half of a beef from someone who my husband works with, and so we always have steak and roasts and hamburger in the fridge, and so I decided that we should use up some of our ribeye steaks. So I just cooked those in a cast iron skillet. I get a good sear on them, and then I go ahead and put them in the oven at 400 degrees for a couple minutes just to finish them off. The kids don't really care for steak all that much, and so they are having some fish fillets from Costco. These are the ones that you just cook from freezer, and they are really good. We are also having some fries from Trader Joe's. These are the handsome cut fries, and they are really good. You just cook them in the oven, and I usually add some salt to the top of them, and we love them and the kids love them, so it's a win-win. I was also wanting to make a salad with this dinner, so I'm just cutting up some cherry tomatoes as well as some cucumbers that I had in the fridge, so just slicing those up for the top of my salad. Okay, so here's a look at Adam's dinner. This is the ribeye steak. I just seasoned that with salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and then I have that with some A1, some fries, and then a salad with romaine lettuce, chopped up cucumber, tomatoes, and some ranch dressing. Connor is having the same thing with a few more veggies cut up, and instead of steak, he is having the fish from Costco. Kira is basically having the same thing, except she's not having a salad. She's just having some cut up veggies with ranch and her fish with some ketchup. Here's a look at my plate. I just had some steak with A1, a few of the handsome cut fries from Trader Joe's, and then I made myself a salad with some of the veggies and shredded cheese, ranch, and croutons. Tonight we're having turkey burgers from Trader Joe's, so I'm just showing you a little bit of the sides and the toppings that we're having. I've got some lettuce and tomatoes that I've seasoned with salt and pepper. And then I also have some of this caramelized onion dip from Trader Joe's. It's really, really good, along with some plain Ruffles potato chips. Here's a look at the turkey burgers frying up on the griddle. If I had it to do over, I probably wouldn't buy these just because they were a little bit dry and unseasoned, and I prefer beef burgers. But anyway, I served mine with a little bit of sriracha mayo on top of some lettuce with some tomatoes and some slices of orange, along with some plain Ruffles. Okay, on this night we were having chicken with marinara sauce and pasta. So I'm just giving you a look at the chicken that was seasoned up and frying in a pan with onions. And then this is the pasta. It's just whole wheat penne pasta. It's the Barilla brand. And then the sauce that I'm using is the Rouse homemade marinara sauce, and I get that at Costco. It's a little bit pricey, but it's really good marinara sauce. It's a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. We ended up liking it a lot. On the side, I just have some garlic bread. So I have some melted butter with a little bit of garlic paste, some Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and some Parmesan cheese. And so I just have some ciabatta rolls from Trader Joe's that I've cut in half. And I just go ahead and brush the tops with those and bake them at 400 until they're golden brown. So you can see I've brushed the tops with oil, and I'm just going to pop those in the oven. I don't have an exact time. I just kind of baked them until they were golden brown. Here's a look at the sauce after I poured it in with the chicken. And then you can see I have the whole wheat penne. I may have said before that I had rotini, so sorry if I said that, but it is whole wheat penne from Barilla. And so once I mixed the sauce and the meat, I went ahead and mixed it in with the pasta just in a big pot so we could serve it up on our plates. Here's a look at what the kids are having for dinner. They just have the pasta with the sauce and the chicken. They ended up liking it a lot. I also cut up some oranges for them. And then they have some grapes and some of the ciabatta bread. And then Connor also has a little side salad with some Olive Garden dressing and croutons. And here is a look at Adam's plate. He's got some of the pasta with the chicken, ciabatta bread with some cheese on top. And then I also made him a small side salad with romaine, croutons, olives, and some Olive Garden dressing. Tonight for dinner, it's a Sunday, and we are having some turkey soup. I'm just using a leftover turkey carcass that we had from our Christmas dinner with our family, and I went ahead and boiled it up with some onions, carrots, and celery. And then once I had that boiled up, I went ahead and just kind of made my own recipe up. I picked the chicken off of the bones, added some rice, a little bit of cream cheese and milk, and just kind of seasoned it to taste. And I'm serving that with a Caesar salad from Costco. And then also you saw there some of the Sister Schubert's frozen rolls. I really like cooking those. So that is what we are having for dinner tonight, just some soup and salad and rolls. On this night we had dinner with friends. We went to a sushi bar here in town, and they have really good kind of like flaming sushi. So Adam and I had that. It was a really good meal. Okay, and then on this night I had some broccoli and cauliflower in the fridge that I needed to use up. And so I just ended up roasting that at 425 in the oven, along with some sliced chicken sausage from Costco. This is already cooked, so you just need to basically brown it up. And then what I'm going to serve that with is some cheese tortellini, which I also got from Costco. And then once that was boiled up in the pan per the package directions, I drained that and added a few spoonfuls of pesto. And I will end up serving that with the chicken sausage and the broccoli and cauliflower. So here's a look at the kids' plate. They just have some pasta, some chicken sausage, some sliced up strawberries, some vegetables, and a few of the Sister Schubert's frozen rolls. And then again, here's a look at my plate, a little bit of the pasta, some chicken sausage, and the broccoli and cauliflower. Really simple and delicious meal that you can whip up in about 30 minutes. Okay, so on this day, it was actually Adam's birthday, so I went to Trader Joe's after work and got some of these pretzel rolls along with the pulled beef brisket. This was in barbecue sauce. And then to go along with that, I ended up getting a bag of broccoli kale slaw. So this is a mixed salad which comes with the kale slaw, and then it also has dried cherries, dried blueberries, some slivered almonds, sunflower seeds, and then it has like a sweet and creamy dressing with it. To go with that also, I got some handsome cut fries, which those are our favorite from Trader Joe's. And then I also got some of the cupcakes from Scratch Cupcakery. These are our favorite cupcakes, and I knew that Adam loves the German chocolate cake, so I got 2 of those along with some assorted other cakes.
This is for our daddy.
What are you doing?
Coloring for our daddy.
Why?
Since it's his birthday.
Making him a birthday card?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Drawing.
Making a birthday card? Tell Daddy happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Daddy.
Daddy. Happy birthday.
Here's a look at the kids' plates. They just have some of the fries, the barbecue, the pretzel roll, and then I also gave them a little bit of the slaw salad along with some ketchup to dip their fries in and some sliced peaches. Here's a look at my plate. I just ended up using half a pretzel roll with some of the barbecue and the slaw and the fries. To be honest, I probably wouldn't purchase the slaw again just because it's a little vinegary, but it was pretty good for what we used it for. So tonight for dinner, we are going to have BLTs. So I just cooked up some of our favorite macaroni and cheese, which is the Velveeta shells and cheese. And then you can see I have some croutons out because I'm going to make a salad out of mine. I have some cooked bacon. This is the bacon from Costco. A little bit of sliced avocado, some sliced tomatoes with salt and pepper on them. I also have some shaved turkey, a little bit of Hellmann's mayonnaise, and then some romaine lettuce leaves that are washed and dried for our sandwiches. So that is what we are going to be having for dinner tonight. We are making the sandwiches on the Sara Lee Artisanal bakery bread. Here's a look at the kids' plates. Connor has one of the BLTs. He likes lettuce and tomato on his. He's also having some pears, some veggie straws, and the mac and cheese. Kira just likes turkey and bacon on hers, and then she's also having some of the pears, veggie straws, and mac and cheese. So that is the kids' plate and what they are having for dinner tonight. Okay, here's a look at my plate. I decided to do a salad instead of the BLT, so I just have a bed of arugula, some corn that I have drained, along with turkey, bacon, some feta cheese, some veggies, croutons, and then I am using the honey apple cider vinaigrette from Newman's Own, which is really good, and I'm just having a small amount of mac and cheese. So hopefully this video has given you a couple of more ideas for your family dinners. I hope that you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not already for more food related videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.